Welcome to paradise. My name is Zema Cross, and I'm a chosen.
Let's do this.
This is the year 2040, and this is my story.
Hi, thanks for joining me on the Cross Productions Courtney Cross channel. Today, we will be discussing the powers of Jamaican and why he was chosen to be the protector of the earth. Firstly, Jamaican's real name is Zema Cross. He is a direct descendant of Dread Spyrox, who defended the earth from Dregan the Destroyer over 200 years ago. Dread Spyrox was exposed to galactic rays, which bonded with his DNA, causing his great-grandson Zema Cross to possess the power to withstand the immense power of the Red Sun that gave him the power to be Jamaican in the first place. Look out, Superman, you now have an equal straight out of Jamaica.
Hey, watch it, yo, brother. What? No excuse me, no sorry. Is that what you're about? And capes are no longer a thing. Man of Steel, my ass.
Jamaican has the power of flight, light speed, sonic clap, laser blast from both his hands and his eyes. Yes, this man is all that, plus he is, you guessed it, bulletproof.
Your time has come. Reptilians will now rule the surface. What? You like play with guns?
He has the power to channel his vision to see great distances.
I'm looking 500 light years away and there's a second sun approaching our solar system. As it turned out, Demon might be right.
For example, he can stay on Earth and see what is happening on Saturn.
The man is like a god.
In training, this man did pull-ups with a car while on a cliff. You wouldn't want to get his blood boiling. Jamaican also has the power of molecular distribution, which allows him to extend his powers for a short time to others. Can you imagine an army with powers equal to or greater than Superman? Jamaican has the power to fly into the heart of a sun.
Welcome to the center of the sun. Tell me the truth. It is cooler than expected, right? Tell me the truth.
Well, you haven't exactly been giving me the grand tour.
Which he did to defeat Raw in Chronicles of Zema. Suicide or murder. Jamaican was even caught in an explosion with nuclear arsenal and walked out without a scratch. So fire walking is no great feat for him. Isn't there anything that can get the better of the black, green, and gold superhero?
We are talk about.
Man, a Jamaican in a rude boy. I was born in the heat.
He also has the stamina to explore the deepest parts of our oceans in one breath. powers are celestial thanks to the Elohim Council. Zama can change from his natural form to Jamaican and a god or just at the snap of his fingers. This superhero has a gravity force that he can turn on or off, making him as powerful as the sun that gave him his power. Even going supernova is not a challenge to this powerful being. You have to admit, with all those powers, he is one cool dude. Let me know in the comments below what you think and what powers that Jamaican has that stands out more to you. As always, stay safe and remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon in the next post.